Okay, just a quick update. There's not much to discuss today. Yeah, so we've got two logs that are the focus, so BTC and Hype. I'm also log a bunch of other stuff like Aave on my other accounts. But yeah, on our challenge account, BTC and Aave, sorry, BTC and Hype will be the main ones. I've still got this annoying cold for ages, but yeah, pushing through. Yeah, so our equity's at 41k, or basically 41k. World balance, yeah, just nearly 42k. We started about 2 months ago with, I think we had about 10k in the account. So you could see very good P&L growth, so up 29k 600 in the last 2 months. So very happy with that. And yeah, we've got 32 positions open. I've rebalanced some of our trades a little bit. We've got a total position values 140k. So we have about 3.6x leverage on our account. Let's have a look. The coins I'm interested in are here. So Hype, you guys know this already, but I've been buying every pullback using my indicator, PA trend indicator. You can see every time price touched the green, we've moved up, and it's been a super, like it's, you know, it can't be easier just buying every time price touches the green zone, right? It's actually disgusting how powerful this is, or has been, on Hype. So yeah, I'm trying to accumulate as much Hype as possible. You know, ultimately we have breached all-time highs. Initially looked pretty bad, but then we've recovered and reclaimed the level. And now I think now you just hold on. You don't really want to be calling the top on this until it becomes obvious. Fart coin, it's a bit of a, yeah, like clearly a massive uptrend. If you see, it's a massive uptrend. Again, buying in these blue zones has been extremely lucrative, but also buying in the green zones has been a really good place as well to do business in, you know, all of these zones. We are on an uptrend on Fartcoin, and it's like a risk on asset. It's pretty volatile, but I think if you buy every pullback, you do well. So Fartcoin, Pepe, I think it's a good coin, less bullish on, but I think it's still, if you get a good entry, if you get a good price, I'm bullish on Pepe as well. Aave, I already mentioned this. I've got a bunch of Aave on my other accounts. Again, it's yeah, uptrend by the green zones, and yeah, one of the top performers. And then just from this morning, so I haven't bought any yet. I haven't bought any TRB, but there's a ton of volume coming in. So I'm not really sure why that is, but it's definitely interesting, right? If you zoom out on the daily, like we are on a downtrend on the daily, but then on the 4-hour we're in an uptrend. So if you buy the blue zones, so these are the previous weekly lows, you would do super well. Like they have been extremely good entries. And you can see with a custom volume indicator that there's something going on here. So we want to be participating, or at least we want to be looking into this. So that's what I'm doing. I haven't got a position in TRB just yet, but yeah, that's something I'm looking into, and I'll probably get in on the action. Let's have a look. TRB. Yeah, a ton of open interest coming in. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, like super volatile. Like what was it, like? Yeah, 3%. I mean, it could be more, but definitely a lot of volume coming in. So that's the only coin I'm interested in. I think these are the only coins I'm really interested in. Obviously, there will be others which pump, but I like to focus on the high volume ones. And obviously, let's look at BTC. Okay, so let's look at BTC. We can remove all of this, clean that up a little bit. This is why I like this indicator. It's pretty simple to use. Like, you know, we're clearly in an uptrend on the daily. Clearly uptrend, like in those, yeah, over a year there. Downtrend here, massive uptrend here. So you don't want to be fighting the trend. And then on the hourly, we zoom out. You know, again, every time prices touch the green areas, that has been your go signal too long, right? And we had the same thing happen as well yesterday. So what I think, let's draw the previous all-time high. Let's go on the 4-hour. So this is our deviation from from previous all-time high. We're now approaching the level against 109K. What we want to do is just reclaim this and just away, you know, and then just go for more, basically. So this is the key level that we want to reclaim. And you can see price has tried and failed. But if it does, I think there's no limit to how high this can go. If we do end up reclaiming this level, you don't want to be fading this. This was a deviation at the time of the all-time high level. And obviously we can't just break down. Nobody knows. If we break down this market structure, the next level I'm interested in is 102K, which is a previous month's low. Sorry, previous week's low. Previous month's low, it's going to be all the way here at 75K. So not sure we're going to reach that level. If we do, bull market is probably cancelled. So yeah, that's my approach. I still think we're in a mild bull market. Obviously, altcoins are not doing extremely well as a whole. There's a lot of fuckery going on, but that's kind of where we're at. So yeah, I'm going to upload this content, this video now. I don't know when you see it. I'm active on Telegram and Discord and stuff and Twitter. So if you want to get a hold of me, do there. This is obviously a test, I don't know, a challenge test account. I just wanted to see and to show and just, yeah, to be transparent about all the trades that have happened, because no one does this on YouTube or Twitter. No one actually shares their track record, and everyone's just LARPing and selling you porcupines. So I thought it's quite refreshing to have transparency like this. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.